How to find and fix common problems with Windows 10 Troubleshooter. Knowing how to use Windows 10 Troubleshooters can save you time and frustration when your system acts up. These built-in tools are designed to quickly diagnose and fix common issues, making them essential for anyone who wants to keep their PC running smoothly. In this video, we'll outline how to find and fix common system problems using Windows 10 Troubleshooters. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. The basics of Windows 10 Troubleshooter. Windows 10 includes built-in diagnostic tools that automatically detect and fix common issues like network, sound, or update errors. These troubleshooters analyze system configurations, logs, and real-time data to either apply fixes directly or guide you through resolving the problem manually. Each troubleshooter has a specific diagnostic engine that compares your system against known standard configurations. How to use Windows 10 troubleshooters. There are basic Windows 10 troubleshooters that are widely accessible to users, and more advanced methods for IT professionals comfortable with command line tools and scripting. Let's start with three of the most commonly used Windows 10 troubleshooters. Network connection diagnostics. You can use the Windows 10 troubleshooter to scan your entire connection path and check for misconfigured network adapters, DNS or IP address issues, router connectivity problems, outdated or faulty drivers, Windows, update fixes. Sometimes software updates are all you need to fix system issues. To that end, the Update Repair tool helps with clearing corrupted update files and download caches, repairing damaged system files, resetting Windows, update services. This method is particularly useful for pinpointing whether the problem is being caused by malfunctioning hardware or buggy software. Diagnostic Scans. The third method is running a diagnostic scan. Open Update and Security from Settings, then click Troubleshoot. This will generate a list of available troubleshooters that you can select. Alternatively, you can run a diagnostic scan with elevated privileges by right-clicking the specific troubleshooter and selecting Run as Administrator. Advanced troubleshooting methods. If none of the above methods work, here are a few advanced options you can try. Use PowerShell to reset Windows Update, stop background services, or pause cryptographic functions. Run sfc/scano in command prompt to scan for and fix corrupted system files. Access safe mode using msconfig to isolate issues caused by third-party software. Use the registry to verify diagnostic configuration settings. Our blog post details each of these methods in full, so be sure to read through it before you start troubleshooting. Whether you're fixing a simple issue or dealing with a larger system error, it's good to know that there are a range of built-in Windows 10 troubleshooters at your disposal. For more information, check out our official blog on how to run the Windows 10 troubleshooter to find and fix common problems linked in the description below.